Hey guys, we received this Ferrite magnet ring for test and try. OD2.4, ID1 3 inches by 0.4, grade C8 ceramic magnet for industry, science experiments, crafts and hobbies. So it comes in these four pieces. So we received it to test and try. So let me just show it to you. So this comes in this nice pack and very strong magnet, as you can see in the video. They are stick to each other very strongly and I have to really put a lot of pressure to take this out. So this the product size is around 2.36 inches by 0.39 inches in the thickness, and inside one is 1.25 inch. So this one is the nice magnet and very strong, as you can see. So the temperature resistance or oxidation resistant with a convenient use, corrosion and rust free, with a nice magnetic power. So you can see it's have a strong magnetism. So just changing the pole, and then once it is done, it's very hard and very forceful to separate. So it's a very nice magnetic thing.